Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Fortnite on Steam Deck OLED. First, you'll want to switch your Steam Deck OLED into desktop mode. This is crucial for installing the Epic Games launcher. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official Epic Games website to download the launcher installer. Make sure to save this file to a location you can easily find, like your Downloads folder or desktop, for the next steps. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now that you have the installer, open Steam in desktop mode and add the Epic Games Launcher installer as a non-Steam game. Before running it, go into its properties and force compatibility, selecting Proton Experimental. This step is vital for the installer to function correctly on your Steam Deck. Then, launch the installer through Steam, follow the on-screen prompts, and complete the Epic Games Launcher installation. It's a straightforward process. With the Epic Games Launcher installed, you'll now add its executable to Steam as another non-Steam game. Again, navigate to its properties and ensure Proton Experimental is selected for compatibility. This ensures the launcher runs smoothly. Launch the Epic Games Launcher from your Steam library, log in to your Epic Games account, and then proceed to download and install Fortnite. The download size is approximately 25 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough storage. Once Fortnite is installed, you can launch it directly from the Epic Games Launcher, which you're running through Steam. For the best experience, you'll want to adjust the in-game graphics settings. Start with lower settings and gradually increase them until you find a balance between visual quality and frame rate. Many players find a custom controller layout improves gameplay significantly. Enjoy playing Fortnite on your Steam Deck OLED with excellent performance and portability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.